realities of playing the violin. Consistency is more important than intensity. Okay. So, akala ng iba, like, musicians tend to practice long hours, di ba? Parang 8 hours a day practice lang ginagawa, no? But in reality, you don't need to practice as much in one day, di ba? But you have to be able to practice at least every day. So, mas importante na consistent ka, no? Sabi nga nung mga sikat na mga artists before, you only need at least 3 hours a day. So, mahaba na yung 3 oras na practice. Because you need to see the world and you need to do other things to make it balance, di ba? Hindi mo kailangang mag-practice ng 8 oras just because. Sometimes you have to plan things out and you need inspiration from other things din as well. So, hindi maganda na, okay, magpo-practice ako 8 hours. Parang sa school din, di ba? Yung iba magka-cramming ng aral. Hindi rin siya maganda, di ba? It disrupts your balance and it actually worsens everything else. So, kailangan mas importante, consistent. You practice 3 hours a day. Every day kung kaya. Yung iba sabi they can take a day off, no, 1 day break, ganyan. But yun, pwede na naman. And then of course, if you are a beginner, hindi mo rin kailangan mag-practice 3 hours a day. Kasi kung konti pa lang yung inaaral mo, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour is long enough. Mahaba na yon, no? Hindi siya kailangang ubusin yung oras. It's not about yung quantity, di ba? So again, it's not about the intensity. It's more of the consistency. So 10 to 30 minutes, 1 hour to 1 hour every day is more than enough to see progress, maybe on a weekly basis, 'di ba? Minsan hindi mo rin naman nararamdaman yung progress. And it keeps everything balanced, nawawalan ka ng opportunity para magalit ka sa sarili mo, 'di ba? Natanggal natin lahat ng mga magiging problems mo when you do that. Kasi yung focus mo, just make sure your focus is 100% on what you do for the next 30 minutes pag mag-practice ka. And then you can do anything naman after. Basta bukas, mag-practice ka ulit. So every day, consistently, ginagawa mo ng tama yung practice routines mo, you will see progress. Better than practicing 1 day a week for 8 hours. Wala. Mapapagod ka lang sa sarili mo. Papagurin mo lang yung sarili mo, mababurnout ka lang. So, good luck in practicing. So, follow for more. And I'll see you on the next one.